Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good day, everyone. Now, today we want to talk about as-sa'atu. What did I call it? What is the meaning of as-sa'a? Clock. So, as you can see, clock, we have aqrabu thaniya. Say it. What's the meaning of aqrabu thaniya? Second hand. So after that, we have aqrabu daqiqa. Say it. Again. So aqrabu daqiqa means minutes, hands. After that one, we have daqiqatun. Say it. Or you can also call it a daqiqatun. Say it. Daqiqatun means what? Minutes. After that, we have aqrabu sa'a. Say it. What's the meaning of aqrabu sa'a? So you can see it is bigger as one. So we have time measure. Time measure 60 seconds. Situna thaniya means what? 60 seconds to sawi what? 60 seconds make one what? Daqiqatun. Say daqiqatan. Say it. Daqiqatan. Daqiqatan. 1 minute. So we have situna daqiqatan. Say it. Situna daqiqa means what? 60 minutes. 60 minutes to sawi what? Sa'a. Sa'atan. To sawi sa'atan. What do you mean of sa'a? 1 hour. 1 hour. So we have arba'una wa ishiruna sa'a. Say it. Mistake. Arba'a wa ishiruna sa'a. Say it. It's not arba'un. Arba'a wa ishiruna sa'a. 24 hours to sawi yawman. To sawi yawman. So 1 day. So we have sab'atu ayyamin. Say it. Again. So sab'atu ayyam means 7 days. Tusawi usbu'an. Say it. Usbu'an. What's the meaning of usbu'an? 1 week. Sawi usbu'an. So we have arba'atu asabi'. Say it. What is the meaning of arba'atu asabi'? 4 weeks. Tusawi. 4 weeks make one what? Shaharan. Say it. Shaharan. A what? A month. A month. 1 month. So ithna ashara shaharan. Say it. Again. What do you know? Ithna ashara shaharan. 12 months. So 12 months to sawi. 12 months. 12 months make one what? Year. 1 year. So sanatan. Say it. Again. Sanatan. A 1 year. So that's it about it. So that is our today's lesson. As you can see, any question on it? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? So هذا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Bye.